Hola, bienvenidos nuevamente a todos a mi canal Spanish Blueprints. My name is Joshua, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can find a language teacher on the platform Italki. So Italki is a platform that connects language teachers to students through lessons. All right, so the page that I'm looking at right now is where you would find a teacher. So I'm going to start up here with the language that we're going to select. And on this platform, it allows for you to learn up to 150 or over 150 languages. So that's pretty awesome. But right now, I'm going to be focusing on Spanish. So we got that selected. I'm learning Spanish. If we go down here, find the best Spanish teacher for you, we can see that there's 3,843 teachers available. Here, find the best Spanish teacher for you. Choose from our experienced Spanish teachers online and get the best learning experience. Let's go up to teacher types because this is fairly important for most students trying to learn a language. What exactly are they looking for? So Italki has two different types of teachers here. Well, technically a professional teacher and a tutor. So a professional teacher is a highly skilled and qualified teacher who have experience helping students reach their goals. And then a community tutor is a native or advanced speaker who helps students through informal tutoring or speaking practice. So right now I'm just going to leave that filter how it is. I'm not going to select either one, but just kind of scroll down here and let you see what is available. So we have these little individual profiles, a little snapshot of profiles of each of the teachers here. So we have Carolina Cariz, and that shows her photo. Then you see here she has 5 stars and 55 lessons. And then here's a button to book. And then she has a little description here. Need help feeling confident with your Spanish, English, or Chilean Spanish? Come join my class. Then she's a community tutor. And here are the different languages that she speaks here. Spanish, so she's a native speaker. And then English, let's see here, C2 proficient. Here we have a 30-minute trial. So this is $5 USD. And you get 3 of these when you initially sign up for Italki. So you'll be able to use those. After you have used those 3 trial lessons, you won't be able to take any more of these. And then if you're not doing the trial, her hourly rate is from $12 USD. And then here, there's a little video, and here's an intro here. Also get a little snapshot of just 1 week of what her availability looks like in her calendar. So this is set to my time zone already, so that's something that I really like about this. I don't have to convert it or anything like that because we're living in different countries. And the green squares are where she is available. So let's go up here to teacher is from. Here we can select exactly where the teacher is coming from. So if you have a particular country that you want to learn more about, if you want to learn about a particular accent or whatever the case may be, then you're able to choose some right here: Spain, Venezuela, then other countries and regions. So looks like we don't have all the countries in Latin America here, so let's just search one up here. Let's do Guatemala. All right, so now we have this one filter here for teachers from Guatemala, and then we can see here that there's 51 teachers from Guatemala on this platform. So this is a native speaker, so let's say there's only native speakers for this selection here. And then also speaks is really interesting because if you want them to speak multiple languages and not just English or not just Spanish, then there's also other languages that you can select. And then here's lesson price here as well. Minimum is $4, maximum is $80. And this is all going to vary on the different types of community tutors and teachers that you come across. Now here's a few different lesson types here. We got general, conversation practice, pronunciation, grammar, spelling, reading, listening, writing. You get a little bit of everything. And of course, within each of the bios, you'll be able to see more of what their specialty is and what they're trying to teach. And then you can also choose a particular time frame that you would like to look for. So you could do days of the week, a specific time of day as well. So that's pretty convenient if you have one particular time and day that you would like to do your lessons at. So let's just scroll through these teachers from Guatemala here and see what we have. So community tutor, bilingual teacher with a lot of experience helping students achieve their goals, community tutor, professional teacher. Let's look at Franklin here. Estudiante de medicina ayudando a estudiantes de español sin importar el nivel, mejorando inglés. So that he's a medicine student and he's helping students, Spanish students, and it doesn't matter what their level is. And then also bettering English. I think his, because it looks like he just has Spanish here. Okay, so let's look more at his profile here. All right, so he has a kind of like a little preview video of himself, where he lives. Then we have how much his lesson costs here. We got $5 for a lesson to book. You can contact the teacher beforehand before you even book a lesson. This could be for if you have any questions about his teaching style, and 40 lessons, 18 students. So native in Spanish and then English here, B1 intermediate. So you'll be able to find, as you saw on the previous page, a lot of different types of teachers, that may speak just Spanish, or that speak Spanish, English, French, German, Japanese, whatever the case may be. So there's a lot of variety with different teachers that you'll meet. It has a little about me here, and him as a teacher. He explains exactly what he does, and then my lessons and teaching style. So this is probably one of the best things about Italki is that it's very upfront with what you're going to get. And then on top of that, you are able to, as you saw here, contact the teacher. So if you do have any questions or if you have any special requests, you would be able to contact them and ask them, are you willing to do this, or do you want to just talk about that before you even book the lesson? And then of course, while you're in the lesson itself, you're also able to discuss with your teacher what exactly the plan is for your lessons. It's going to be very personalized, going to be very flexible for you. And then a lot of teachers, they use different learning materials. So here he has PDF files, text documents, presentation slides, audio files, image files, video files, flashcards, articles and news, quizzes, test templates and examples, graphs and charts, and homework assignments. And then these are different types of lessons here. So práctica de conversación general, so general conversation practice, conversación para profesionales de la salud, conversations for health professionals, and conversación para principiantes, conversation for beginners. One's $5 US, one's $6, this one's $6. Then here's some more statistics, completed 40 lessons, response rate, attendance rate, and then he has 10 different reviews. So this is kind of nice to be able to get more background information on this specific teacher, before you even book. And then let's go over to here now. Look actually at his calendar. So now we're looking at availability. So the green ones are where that he is open here. Then on this page is where you're able to book your lesson. And then the next page would just be where you actually make the purchase. So you put in your card information or whatever the case may be, and then you make the purchase, and then you book the lesson. But when you do that, one thing to keep in mind is that it's basically you're going to get a message saying that you bought some Italki credits and that your lesson was booked. After that, the lesson has to be accepted by the teacher, and then you also get a notification on that as well. So I like that aspect of Italki. It's very quick and it's very easy to use, and you're always getting notifications, of these things. If you have to do anything on your part, if you need to reconfirm a lesson, for example, if a teacher reschedules, then you would have to go in and accept that rescheduling of the lesson. And that's kind of another good aspect of it too. I don't know, or at least I have not experienced any time yet where I had to pay a fee for rescheduling. So I have rescheduled multiple times with different teachers, and they also have rescheduled me. So I have not had to pay any fees. So that's been pretty nice as well. This is just a basic guide for you to kind of, get an understanding of what italki has to offer and the different types of teachers and community tutors that they have available for you for a variety of different languages and a variety of teachers. So, you'll definitely be able to find exactly what you need without an issue. So just do your own research and dig a little bit into this platform and see what you like. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching this video. If you found value in it, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.